Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 5th of February 2014. You're watching Bitstamp in multiple time frames. Not too much changes between the weekly chart and the 3-day chart. Yesterday's market daily chart, a small correction below 850. We managed to have new lower prices, 796.83. What's happening here is very interesting. Why? Because the situation we see so far could give us three potential hypotheses. The first one is a lower high that you can push the price down towards the major support, which is located at 725. It's plain and simple. Remember, this is 1 day of market, so each candlestick is 1 day of market. So this might push the price towards first the 791. And after 791, then several levels. We have 770, and then we have 725. We'll see if that can happen. The other hypothesis, the bullish one, it could be buyers push the price towards the previous highs, daily highs, which are located at 812.98. And why not create a new set of higher lows in the small time frames that it can push the price once again and bring the volume towards 834. That would be the next option, which is this area. Look, this is the area that it should trigger the major time frames such as weekly and 3-day chart. We'll see. And now 12-hour chart is another situation. Look, it's another extended downtrend per candles but not per movement, and right now it's trying to build a potential higher low and with an entry above 812.98. That's another situation we need to make sure that if it happens, we take advantage of it. Otherwise, the continuation of the downtrend can push the price towards the major support. And the other case right now is 240-minute chart and 60-minute chart. But before we go into the 60-minute chart, this is the situation with the 4-hour chart. Price below SMA 200 and a huge consolidation right now. Not much volume that it can move the price to any direction, up or down right now. So we just have a sideways trend that if buyers manage to push the price towards 820, they can deny this lower high. But guess what? This is a new lower high that hasn't been active 100%. But if this gets activated by the sellers, the bearish signs can take the price to this particular minor support, which is located at 770.70. Then after that, the major time main support will be 725. That could be the new visit for this particular situation. Otherwise, we're just gonna keep a sideways trend without any volume at the moment, and we just have to sit down on our hands and wait for the situations. And last but not least, this is a 60-minute chart, sideways, but the situation with the SMA 200 price above the SMA 200 price. SMA 200 now is turning into a positive growth. We'll see what happens with that. And 60-minute chart can give us some kind of signs. If the price pushes above 807.98, that could be a possibility. Otherwise, it has to penetrate 796.83 to go a little bit more bearish in that sense. And let's go into the MtGox right now. The situation with the Japanese trading platform. Not many changes with weekly and 3-day chart. Yesterday's market correction towards small support, and now we have a double bottom tail, which is a good support for the price. It might use it as a support to push with the buyers above the previous high levels, which are located at 949.46. That could be the next target in case the buyers take control. Otherwise, the bearish situation could be sellers can continue towards these areas, which are not 867, and the next area in question could be this particular pivot, which is located at 768. That could be the situation in the daily chart for the next few days. And right now, 12-hour chart, not much to tell apart from the fact that yesterday's market managed to visit the small minor support, and here it is, 240-minute chart. Price below SMA 200, we have a consolidation, no lower highs yet. We just have to wait for more signals. Small volume increase at the moment, but not much to tell at that point. And last but not least, 60-minute chart, very erratic, not much to tell. Just keep an eye on it. And thank you very much for watching. I'm Lucano. This is Mundo Bitcoin. Have a great day trading. See you around. Goodbye.